Hello everyone. So today I will show you my sketchbook and my ideas about your use. Sometimes we get so focused on create the next great piece of art with perfect pencil that it creates a creative block. We forget the real reason we started in the first place, the pure joy of drawing. That's why I love the sketchbook so much. It's not a place for perfection, it's a space for freedom. These daily studies are the real engine behind our artistic growth. It's by testing proportions, making mistakes with lines, and experimenting with materials in the quiet of this page that our evolution truly happens. If you've been feeling the pressure of the blank page, just remember, allow yourself to simply drown. If the only thing that has truly changed my role as an artist is understanding the importance of the sketchbook studies. A lot of people think every single drawing needs to become a finished gallery worth painting. But the truth is, we need a safe place to make mistakes. The sketchbook is the daily practice. It's where you turn off the pressure for results and just focus on the process. This page, while you relax, is what's built the foundation of your work. If you want to evolve, we need to take the weight off our shoulders, open the notebook, and start drawing for the simple pleasure of practicing. I've always liked having a small sketchbook that I can carry everywhere to scribble down an idea that might turn into a bigger paint layer, or just to put my creativity on paper the moment it sparks. I completely understand what it feels like to feel like you're racing against time and against other artists. But honestly, I think that's the worst path. We don't have to be in a competition, and if you don't want to. Art is magical, and there is room for every style and for every moment to shine. We don't need to live with the pressure of being better than someone else, just better than on our process was yesterday. If you focus on your own progress and let yourself be positively inspired by other artists, the drawing becomes so much lighter and more fun. This is something I've been trying to bring into my daily routine. It's a new habit, and like any habit, it requires consistency, but I believe it's possible. We started painting and drawing for the feeling of freedom and to express our feelings and ideas. And that's exactly what we need to remember whenever this modern world, full of comparison, tries to confuse us. I hope this video inspired you to get back to drawing in your sketchbook and to enjoy the process. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me keep creating this video so we can keep learning about art together. Thank you so much for watching. I will leave you now with the rest of the drawing process and some peaceful music. Bye, see you next time.